Hello everyone, this is part 4 of the chapter Fraction and Decimal, and in this video we are going to solve some further questions related to the multiplication and division. So first of all, let us solve these problems. Number 1 is we have to multiply 2.71 into 5. The better way to multiply all these numbers is to forget this decimal first, simply multiply it. After that, count the digits and place the decimal. So if you multiply it, first of all forget the decimal, simply multiply. It will be 1355. Now count the digits after the decimal, that means 1 and 2. So leave the digits from the right hand side, 2 digits from the right hand side, and put the decimal here. Number 2, you have to multiply 238.06 into 7.5. So forget the decimal first. If you multiply the numbers only, you will get 178545. Now count the number of digits after decimal, 1, 2 and 3. So leave 4 digits from the back, 3 digits from the back. So 1, 2, 3. The answer will be 178.450. Number 3. You have to multiply 10.05 into 1.05. When you will multiply it, you will get 105525. Now count the digits after decimal. It is 1, 2 and 3, 4. That means total 4 digits we have to left from the back side. So we will leave 1, 2, 3, 4 and we will put the decimal here. So answer will be 10.5525. Number 4, you have to divide 126.35 divided by 7. So same as we are doing in multiplication, first forget the decimal, simply divide the numbers. So when you will divide it, you will get the answer 1805. Now count the digits after decimal. It is 1 and 2. So leave last 2 digits from the answer and put the decimal. So answer will be 18.05. Number 5. 4.28 is divided by 0.02. Simply divide it first. You will get 214, and this decimal will get cancelled. Number 6. 0.728 divided by 0.04. It can be written as 728 by 1000 into 100 by 4. Okay, that means this 10 left, so leave this 10 for now. Just divide 728 by 4. When you will divide it, you will get the answer 182. Now 10 is left behind at the denominator, so the answer will be 18.2. And last, number 7. 58.635 will get divided by 4.5. It can be written as 58635 by 1000 into 10 by 45. Now 100 left at the denominator, leave it for now and divide 58635 by 45. So when you will divide it, you will get the answer 13.03. Now next question is, find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3.5 centimeter. We know the formula for area of a rectangle is length into breadth. That means what we have to do, we have to multiply 5.7 into 3.5 centimeter square. Now when you will solve this one, you will get the answer 19.95 centimeter square. A two-wheeler covers a distance of 45.3 km in 1 liter of petrol. So how much distance will it cover in 5.9 liter of petrol? What we will do, we will simply multiply it. So we will write 5.9 into 45.3. So when you will solve it, you will get the answer 267.27 kilometer. If rupees 242 are to be distributed among 6 children equally, so find the share of each. So in this question we have to divide. So in the question it is given that rupees 242.46 are to be distributed among 6 children. So the share of one student will be 242.46 divided by 6, or we can write it as 242.46 by 100 into 6. Now leave this 100 for now, just divide it. So when you will divide it, you will get the answer 4041 by 100, or we can write it as rupees 40.41. It will be the share of each children. How many ice cream cones can be filled from 8.4 liters of ice cream if one cone can be filled with 35 milliliters of ice cream? In this question, two units are given, liters and milliliter. So we have to make the unit same. Either convert milliliter into liter or liter into milliliter. Easier will be to convert liter into milliliter. And we have to divide. So we can write 8.4. Since it is liter, if we convert it in milliliter, it will be into 1000 divided by 35. So if you remove this decimal, then we have to multiply 10 here, then 0 cancel. When you will solve it, you will get the answer 240. Okay, so 240 numbers of ice cream cones can be filled from 8.4 liters of ice cream. If 2 by 3 of a number is 10, so what is 1.5 times of that number? So first let us find the number. If 2 by third of a number, suppose the number is x, so 2 by third of a number is 10, then the number will be 10 into 3 by 2, that means 15. 15 is the number. Now what we have to find out? We have to find 1.575 times of this number. So simply multiply 1.75 into 15. When you will solve it, you will get the answer 26.25. So hope this video is very useful for you. In next video we will solve more questions. Till then, thank you.